Hello darling diamonds, how are you doing today? I'm hopeful that you're doing great in your lives, and today I'm I have traveled to Chandigarh, and at a very short notice I got together a few things and packed them, and I'm here. So what all I'm traveling with, my travel essentials, is something I want to record and give out as an information to everyone who's traveling like me, traveling light with a minimalistic approach in mind. So I have got a few things which I had picked up for my travel. I already have done a travel kit video previously, but I think I am missing out on some things which I had shown you there. Just let's see what all I have here. So I will first start with this box which I have created. It has all my essentials. I have shown these things to you guys. It has a clutcher, and then it has all these things, eyebrow trimmer, and a nail cutter is there, the razor is there, all these tools are there inside of it, also scissors. This is for shaving the eyebrows. There is a file, nail cutter, and things like that. So guys, those essentials are traveling with me. This is something new. I had not shown this box in that video because I recently came up with that idea because I acquired those things, and obviously I am traveling with this foot scrubber. I need that, and also the toothpaste. Obviously can't travel without toothpaste, and I'm using my scrubber almost done up with it, so I'm traveling with it so that I can use it up and throw it. And then obviously my specs, I can't do without them. This is my essential. And then I also have got my face wash and some medication which I don't want to show on the camera. And then I have just reviewed this product. I have shot that video. I'll be sharing. I might have shared it, or I'll be sharing about this product. So I'm carrying my shampoo bottle with me because hotel shampoos do not always are not always good, and I don't want to experiment with something I don't know about. Hand sanitizer, I swear by, I have to have it. It's a big essentiality. Then my toothbrush and the comb and this hairband. I guess I have bought both of them. One of them I'm wearing right now. Now let's get into this kit. It's not very presentable, but it's my utilities. So bindis, married women must have. This time I forgot my sindoor. That's something I have forgotten. Let's see what we can do about it. Then some earbuds, another comb. It shouldn't have been 2 combs, but they are there because I was packing in hurry, so I just put in case stuff also. Again, 2 lipsticks. I should have bought one. I usually take one. And then this eyeliner, which is green in color, so it's very dark green, so it does works with black things also. And then the BB cream, my favorite, and a cream, my contact lens case, and then some medicine, essential medicine, and then this bobby pin. I don't know why I have kept it. Some soap, these are paper soaps, so that is must have for traveling. And then I've got some hair ties, what do you call them, rubber bands, hair ties. Then electricity went out. And then this Hansa blast, safety pin, some currency, and my blush, and the cute little brush for the blush. So guys, I also have a tic tac clip like that. So guys, I guess I'm at the end of the video. I hope you will keep these things in mind when you are traveling, that these are must-haves, and you can add more or less as per your liking. I have to do away with this video right now because of the electricity issues. I hope to see you again in my next video. I love you guys so much. Remember to subscribe and turn the notifications on for my channel. God bless you. Bye bye.